Till now, if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe. Hello friends, welcome to Draupadi's kitchen. Let's cook something smart. Friends, today I'm going to share with you a very yummy tasty dessert, that is apple tart. It's so easy to make, so let's start. First, we have taken one fresh apple. You can take two medium size apple. Here I have taken a big size apple and I have cut it into thin pieces, as you can see in the video. Now I am adding 1 cup water immediately and half cup of lemon juice to keep the apple fresh, otherwise it will turn into brown color for the chemical reaction. Now I am adding apricot jam 4 tablespoons. If you want, you can add as per your choice of jam, and I am adding 2 teaspoons of water so to make this jam thinner. Mix well and keep aside. Now I am sprinkling some flour and now putting a puff pastry sheet frozen, and I'll cut into thin slices. Friends, if you want, you can make pastry sheet at home. It's your choice. Now, and if you have any query, please put it in the comment section so I can give you the answer. Friends, if you are liking this video, please like and please subscribe. Now I am applying this jam on the pastry sheet, as you can see, and now preheat the oven for 350 Fahrenheit. Now I will put those apples on this sheet. Now I am covering it like this. Just follow the video how I am doing it. Now I am rolling it out with the apples, and you can see it has taken the shape of a rose. Now we will bake it. We have taken a baking tray and with little oil grease the tray, and then bake this apple tart for 15 to 20 minutes for 350 degrees centigrade. And now it's baked. Now I am putting some powdered sugar over it just for garnishing. So it's ready. Thank you for watching, friends.